The Sunstone SFL Series is a complete production-ready welding cell designed to get manufacturers into high-volume production faster. It combines a powerful 1500 or 3000 watt fiber laser with precision galvo scanning, integrated motion control, and a fully enclosed Class 1 safety enclosure, so you don't have to piece together a custom system. With the ability to accommodate workpiece sizes up to 800 by 1000 millimeters, it's ideal for everything from individual components to large battery packs and assemblies. Whether you're welding battery tabs, bus bars, copper, aluminum, or dissimilar metals, the SFL delivers fast, repeatable, high-quality welds with minimal heat input. And because it's backed by Sunstone's US-based application, engineering, and support teams, you're not just buying a machine. You're getting a partner to help you go from prototype to production with confidence.